Haberstad BMW is about people, performance, passion. And that's why the readers of the Long Island Business News rated us Long Island's best automobile dealer. Here's the vehicle for you.
Get noticed in this 2011 BMW 3 Series. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Haberstad BMW is conveniently located at 943 East Jericho Turnpike in Huntington Station, just 2 miles east of Route 110.